Hey champs, welcome back to Math Learning Studio. We are discussing probability and we have discussed two kinds of problems in the previous video of part 1. Okay, where we discussed about the questions based on the weekdays and the years. Today we will take on some more examples like that. First we are taking in numbers. Now numbers mein I have taken just one example. Okay, there are hundreds, there are thousands of examples which are possible based on the when it comes to numbers based questions in probability. Alright, so if the question says that a number is chosen from 1, 2 and 3, okay, then the second number पहले यहां से चूज किया and then the second number, उसके बाद second number is chosen from 1, 4 and 9. Okay, find the probability that product of chosen numbers is less than 10. पहले देखते हैं. First, we need to know about the sample space of this and we need to find out total possible outcomes. Now, this word then is very important here. This plays a very important role here because अगर मैं simply question बोलता हूं, there are two numbers are chosen, one from 1, 2 or 3, second from 1, 4, 9 and then the probability. ठीक है? This question will be completely different then. Because यहाँ पर पहले बोला कि एक नंबर यहाँ से चूज किया, then the second number is chosen. Then मतलब in the sample space पहला नंबर इस लॉट से होगा, means 1, maybe 1 and 1 और इसके साथ यहां से may come 1, may come 4 or may come 9 as well. Alright, so 1, 1, 1, 4, 1, 9, three possibilities. Same way we choose 2 from there and then anyone from these. So 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 9. Alright, then 3, 3, 1, 3, 4, 3, 9. Now, अगर ये then word नहीं लिखा होता, then sample space would be different. Different means हम इनका reverse order भी ले सकते थे, right? Because एक नंबर यहाँ से एक यहाँ से बताया नहीं कि पहले कहाँ से लिया, so we can take any order. But now it is given कि one is chosen from these three and then the second number is from these two. Alright, so be careful about it. Now, total possible outcomes we can see there are 9 only. And now product is less than 10. Product होना चाहिए less than 10, 10 से कम. So this is in our favor. 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 1 is 2, 3 into 1 is 3. All in favor. 1 into 4, yes. 2 into 4, yes. 3 into 4, no. 1 into 9, yes. 2 into 9, no. 3 into 9, no. So these 6 possibilities are there. So favorable outcomes will be 6. We are talking about first case, and the probability of this event becomes 6 by 9, that is 3 2s and 3 3s are so 2 by 3. Alright. The second is one of the number is square of the other. एक नंबर दूसरे का स्क्वायर है. Alright. So this is yes in our favor. Then this will be and this will be. Rest all will not be in the favor. Okay. So only 3. So for the second condition, the favorable outcomes are 3 and the probability of this event becomes 3 by 9. That means 1 by 3. Now we have a question based on the English words. Okay, this question says that a letter is chosen from the word probability. I have taken this example only, this word only at randomly. So it is like कि probability word की spelling बनाई, cards बनाई, and उनको spread कर दिया, एक bag में डाल दिया, and randomly एक card बाहर निकालना है. Okay, then what is the probability that the letter chosen is a vowel or is B or is T? Vowel, I hope you all know. Vowel means those 5 letters A, E, I, O, U. In English alphabet, these 5 are called as the vowels. Alright, so हमको इन्हीं में से कोई favorable outcome check करनी है. So first thing is the total possible outcomes will be 11 because there are 11 letters in the word probability. So total possibility is 11. Then we need the probability of, we need to find the probability of getting a vowel. So we'll write probability of a vowel. मतलब favorable outcomes by total possible outcomes. कितने words, कितने letters है जो favor में है vowel के? You can check. O is 1, E, A is second, I and again I. Okay. Now you may be thinking sir I को 2 बार क्यों use किया? Now see I told कि इसके कार्ड्स बना दिए नंबर लेटर्स के और एक बैग में डाल दिया. सो कोई एक कार्ड निकलेगा ना. आई विल रिटन ट्वाइस ना, प्रोबेबिलिटी की स्पेलिंग तो पूरी करनी है. सो आई विल रिटन ट्वाइस. सो एनी ऑफ द कार्ड में कम विल बी इन आवर फेवर. ऑलराइट. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 out of 11 is the probability. So first condition done. Second, probability of B. So probability of B. B की probability. How many times B is there? 1 and 2. So 2 out of 11. Third is very easy. Probability of T, just one time is that. So probability of T is 1 out of 11. That's it. In place of word probability, you can get the word, usually जो commonly words जो होते हैं वो mathematics, Mississippi, assassination. So these kind of words are given. Okay, so very easy. Now we will take some example based on finding the missing number. These are one of the most important kind of questions when it comes to probability. The first question says that a bag contains 7 blue and some red balls. Okay, the probability of drawing red ball is 3 times the blue ball. ठीक है, find the number of red balls. 3 times that of blue ball it should be. Okay, so एक बैग में 7 blue balls हैं and कुछ red balls हैं. Some balls are red and the probability of drawing it out. मतलब एक बॉल को बाहर निकालना है, red ball अगर आएगी, it will be 3 times that of the blue ball. Okay, that means we have three information given. Blue balls are 7 and red balls are some may take it as X. That means total balls will become how much? How many? 7 plus X. And we have one more information given, and it is the probability of drawing the red ball. So it is like probability of red ball is equal to 3 times that of blue. 3 times the probability of blue. This one more information is given. So we'll be applying this equation only to get the value of X. See, probability of red क्या होगा? Red ball out of total balls. So it means X divided by 7 plus X. Then we have 3 times the probability of blue balls. 3 times 7 out of 7 plus X. Right? It's very easy. 7 plus X cancels. X equal to what? 7 into 3, that is 21. So 21 balls were red in that. We can verify also. If 21 balls were red, total will be 28 balls, right? Blue balls were 7, so 7 by 28 is 1 by 4. That's the probability of blue. And red balls were how many? We got as 21. So what's the probability? 21 by 28. When we cancel out, we'll get 7 3s are 7 4s are and 4s are. And it's very clear that the probability of red is 3 times that of blue. We have the second example based on the missing numbers. It says that a bag contains 20 balls, out of which X are black. So in this example, we have the total number of balls given as 20 and out of which X balls are given as black balls. Okay. What we have to do is first find what is the probability of drawing a black ball at random. तो पहले वो जो कर देते हैं भाई, black balls are X out of total 20. So the probability of black in first condition will be X out of 20. Done? Okay. It says then second condition, second part, 10 black balls are added. If 10 black balls are added to the bag, then the probability of drawing the black ball becomes 4 times that of black ball in question number 1. थोड़ा सा लेंथ स्टेटमेंट है, एक बार फिर समझ लेते हैं. 10 black balls are added. So in the question number 2, let us solve it here. Total possible outcomes becomes what? 30. Why 30? Because 20 balls are already there. 10 black balls are added. So 10 plus 20 becomes 30 possible outcomes. And black balls, earlier there were X black balls, now 10 black balls add करी गई हैं. So it becomes X plus 10. यहाँ तक समझ में आया. Then when these 10 black balls are added in the bag, then the probability of black ball, अब जो probability आएगी black ball की, so let us find out the probability of black in this condition. It will be what? X plus 10 divided by 30. Okay? This probability becomes 4 times that of the black ball in condition 1. ये जो probability है और ये जो probability आई थी, there is a relation given between these two. And it says that we will write according to question, this probability is 4 times of this probability. जो second condition में है probability वो पहले का 4 times है. So x plus 10 by 30 is equal to 4 times x by 20. Okay. We can then divide it in the denominator by 10. So this 0 cancels. All right. You can cross multiply now. What we get? 2 into x. So 2x plus 20 it will become. So simplify करना है is equals to 4x into 3 becomes 12x. All right. 2x can go that side. So it will be what? This implies 20 will be 12x minus 2x becomes 10x. This implies x equals to divide करेंगे 2. So that means there were 2 black balls out of those 20 in the first condition. Thus और add किया ये condition में ना and we got the answer. We'll take one more example based on similar kind of questions. Okay, so in the example number 3, we have a question says that a bag contains 54 marbles of 3 colors, blue, green and white. Okay, the probability of selecting a blue marble from this bag is 1 by 3. So blue marble की probability हमको दे दी है भाई, it is 1 by 3. Then that of means probability of white marble is 4 by 9 and we have to find the number of green marbles. We have to find the number of green marbles. Now there are more than one ways of solving this question. One may be we have the probability of blue and white. So using these probabilities we can find their numbers. Because अगर मैं बोलता हूँ कि there are blue marbles x, so let us solve that condition 1 or you can say the solution type 1. Let us say blue are x. Okay, so it means x by 54 should be equal to 1 by 3. Cross multiply, x will be equal to what? 18. Alright, then second, let us take white marbles are y. Okay, that implies that y by 54 should be equal to 4 by 9. Okay, so when we cross multiply and get the value of y from here, it will be 9 1 9 6 and it will be 24. So we get white marbles as 24. So 18 are blue, 24 are white. Total will be what? Their sum will be 8 plus 4 12 1 2 1 3 plus 4 42 are white and blue. Green will be remaining. So the green marbles here can be what? 54 minus this. That means 2 and 1. So 12 marbles are green. This is one way. Second way, we can find the probability of green. वो कैसे? देखो भाई, we have blue, green and white. 3 colors. इन तीनों की probabilities को अगर हम add करेंगे, what will become that? What will that become? It will become full probability of 54 marbles. Because देखो तीन ही कलर है ना, और तीनों कलर्स की सब probability अलग-अलग निकाली और add कर दी. You will get total probability and that is always equal to 1. So we know that. So we can find the probability of green as 1 minus these two numbers. 1 by 3 plus 4 by 9. Okay, and it will be 1 minus this 9 will be LCM and 3 3s are 9 plus 3 plus 4. So 7 by 9. So it can be, you can say 2 by 9. So the probability of green will be 2 by 9. And now we can say that say Z numbers are green marbles. Okay, Z by 54 will be equal to 2 by 9. And again 9 ones are 9 6 are Z equal to 6 into 2 12. So again we got the same number. So number of green marbles is 12. There is one more way of solving this question, and that is directly applying this rule that the total probability is always equal to 1. वो कैसे? Probability of the number of green marbles हम Z मान लेते हैं. That means the probability of green will be Z by 54. Z marbles are green हमने मान लिया. 54 total marbles हैं. Z by 54 is the probability. Plus probability of blue is 1 by 3. Plus probability of white is 4 by 9. And these three probabilities should be equal to 1. Means they should give you the total sum of probabilities as 1. We can solve this equation, and again I'm sure you will get Z equal to 12. Alright, so three different ways of solving this question. Okay, So that's it about the miscellaneous problems of the probability. Okay, I have taken 5 different categories. If you still have any other question related to probability, okay, you can ask me in the comments or you can directly reach to me through Facebook, Instagram, and even on my WhatsApp number. All these details you will get in the description of this video. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay connected.